Hello dear students. Today we'll speak about modern building materials. Write down the name of today's lesson. Modern building materials. Современные строительные материалы. Building materials. Some of the most important building materials are timber, brick, stone, concrete, metal, plastics, and glass. Also, you can see the picture with these materials: timber, brick, stone, concrete, metal, plastics, and glass. First of all, let's speak about timber. Timber is provided by different kinds of trees. Timbers used for building purposes are divided into two groups called softwoods and hardwood. Timber is at present not so much used in building construction as in railway engineering, in mining, and in the chemical industry, where it provides a number of valuable materials. However, timber is still employed as a building material in the form of boards for the interior of buildings, plywood, and veneer serve a number of purposes. Pay attention to the pictures. There you can see timber, древесина. And we can say that timber is used in building sphere very much. Now let's speak about brick. A brick is best described as a building unit. It may be made of clay by molding and baking in kilns, of concrete, of mortar, or of a composition of sawdust and other materials. In shape it is a rectangular solid and its weight is from 6V2 to 9-1B. There exists variety of bricks for different purposes: ordinary, hollow or porous, lightweight, multicolor, bricks for decorative purposes, etc. Bricks are usually laid in place with the help of mortar. The shape and convenient size of brick enables a man to grip it within easy confidence, and because of this, brick building has been popular for many hundreds of years. The first we have spoken about. Remember now about brick and go on speaking. The follow material is stone. Natural stone is used for foundations and for the constructions of dams. The main varieties of building stone are basalt, granite, marble, sandstone, and limestone. Also, you can see these names, these stones in this picture. This kind of stones in this picture. This is about stone. Metals, aluminium, principally in the form of berry cellulose, is highly valued for its durability and specialty for its light weight, while brass is frequently used for decorative purposes in facing. Steel finds its use in corrugated sheets for roofing, for girders, frames, etc. Various shapes are employed in construction. Pay attention to the picture. Also, in every picture you can see that metals also play very important role in building. Plastics. Plastics are artificial materials used in construction work for a vast number of purposes. Nowadays, plastics, which are artificial materials, can be applied to almost every branch of building, from the laying of foundation to the final coat of plan. Synthetic resins are the main raw material for plastics. Plastics have some good advantages, and they are lighter than metals, not subject to corrosion, and they can be easier machined. Besides, they are inflammable. They can take any color and pattern, and they are good electrical insulators. Moreover, they possess a high resistance to chemical action. A lot of decorative plastics now available have brought about a revolution in interior and exterior design. But plastics are used now not only for decoration. Pay attention to the picture also. There you can see the ways of using plastics. For example, for the decorating. Also, in different color, you can see our house, this kind of material, plastic. Laminate. Also, laminate is used in building sphere very much. Laminate is a strong material manufactured from many layers of paper or textile impregnated with summer setting resin. This sandwich is then pressed and subjected to heat. Laminate has been developed for both inside and outside use. It resists severe weather conditions for more than 10 years without serious deformation. As a structural material, it is recommended for exterior work. Being used for surfacing, laminate gives the tough surface. Also, laminate has or can be in different color, and also it gives very beautiful picture. Formed glass. Formed glass is a high porosity heat insulating material available in block made of fine ground glass and frothing agent. Formed glass is widely used in prefabricated house building to ensure heat insulation or exterior wall panels, and in industrial construction. Formed glass has a high mechanical strength, is distinguished by moisture, vapor, and gas impermeability. It's non-inflammable, offers resistance to frost, possesses a high sound absorption, and it is easily sewn and nailed. Structural formed glass blocks designed to fill ceilings and for making interior partition in buildings and rooms to ensure heat and sound insulation. For insulation, mineral wool or cinder wool is often resorted to. Concrete is perhaps the most widely spread building material used nowadays. Concrete is an artificial stone made by thoroughly mixing such natural ingredients or aggregates as cement, sand, and gravel or broken stone, together with sufficient water to produce a mixture of the proper consistency. It has many valuable properties. It sets underwater, can be poured into molds, so as to get almost any desirable form, and together with steel and reinforced concrete, it has very high strength and also resists fire. Prestressed concrete is most widely used at present, while prefabricated blocks are employed on vast scale for skeleton structures. Pay attention to the concrete. In this picture you can see them. There are some words for you, vocabulary and expressions, words, combinations. Consider, рассматривать, обсуждать, обдумывать. Cross-section, поперечное сечение. Поперечный разрез, профиль, cross-section. Derive, получать, извлекать, происходить. Froze, пена. Froze. Handle, брать руками. Hand. You know the word hand – это рука. Handle – брать руками. Impermeability. Непроницаемость. Непроницаемость. Impermeability. Kiln. Печь для обжига. Kiln. Mortar. Раствор. Mortar. Plywood. Фанера. Plywood. You know the word? Wood. Wood – это дерево, в этом случае plywood – фанера. Resist. Сопротивляться. Resist. Сопротивляться. Span – промежуток времени. Какой-то период времени span. Subject – подвергать, подчинять. В этом случае в качестве глагола. Tensile – растяжимый. veneer, фанера, шпон, mixing, смешивание, gravel, gravy. Today we have spoken about modern building materials. They were stone, concrete, plastics, steel, timber, formed glass. And at home, you should know new words and also read the text with good pronunciation and translate it. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.